Fuel tanks may be purged before installation. New or completely empty tanks must be purged of air and moisture before being filled with liquid propane and put into service. Purging is necessary to remove excess air that could affect the pressure inside the tank, resulting in propane venting from the pressure relief valve. Purging the tank of air and moisture is also important to prevent inaccurate air-fuel mixtures that can result in poor vehicle performance. Propane fuel tanks should not be left open and exposed to the air for an extended period. If a propane fuel tank has been sitting empty and exposed to the atmosphere, it should be purged as if it were a new tank before it is put into service. There are two different methods for propane tank purging: a vacuum purge and a vapor purge. Vacuum purging involves removing air and moisture from the propane fuel tank by using a vacuum pump to create a vacuum in the tank. Once the vacuum has been reached, you can introduce 15 psig of propane vapor into the container to prepare it for service. Vapor purging involves venting the contents of the tank to the atmosphere by feeding propane vapor from a fuel source into the tank. This vapor purge method works by displacing any existing air or moisture in the tank. Empty propane autogas fuel tanks prior to any tank service, including work on the fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel tank level sending unit, or tank valve maintenance or replacement, or any internal tank switches or sensors.